Welcome, food lovers. Today we're diving into the crispy golden world of fish and chips. I'm talking about that perfect beer batter, light and airy with a crunch that'll wake your bloody neighbors. The fish, flaky and moist, cooked to perfection. Get ready to discover the top 5 fish and chips restaurants that you absolutely must try. We're going on a journey, you lot, to find the best damn fish and chips on this planet. So buckle up and get ready to take some notes because you don't want to miss a single bite of this delicious adventure. First up, we're heading to London to a little place called the Golden Chippy. Now, this isn't your average greasy spoon. This place has won awards, mate. Awards! And let me tell you, they've earned every bloody one. The batter is light, it's crispy, it's seasoned to perfection. And the fish? Don't even get me started on the fish. Fresh, flaky, cooked just right. This is how you do fish and chips, people. No soggy bottoms here. This is the gold standard. They've got queues lining up down the street, all for a taste of this perfection. And let me tell you, it's worth the wait. The staff is friendly, the atmosphere is buzzing. It's like one big, happy, crispy family. If you're in London and you don't try this place, you've only got yourself to blame, you donkey. Next, we're off to another London legend, Poppy's Fish and Chips. This place is like stepping back in time with its vintage decor and old-school charm. You half expect to see Winston Churchill walk in with a newspaper and a hankering for some cod. But don't let the retro vibe fool you. The fish and chips here are anything but outdated. They're using fresh, sustainably sourced fish coated in a batter that's been passed down for generations. The chips are chunky, fluffy on the inside, and crispy on the outside. Just the way your nan used to make them, except probably 10 times better, let's be honest. And the best part, they've got mushy peas done right. None of that watery, tasteless slop. These are proper mushy peas, full of flavour and texture. Poppies, you've won my heart, you saucy minx. Chapter 3, Anstruther Fish Bar, Seaside Sensation. Now we're heading north to Scotland, to a place that's practically a national institution, the Anstruther Fish Bar. Perched right on the harbour, you can practically taste the sea air in every bite. And believe me, that air never tasted so good. This place is so good, even Prince William himself is a fan. They're using only the freshest catches of the day, straight from the boats to your plate. The haddock is a must-try, coated in their signature batter and fried to golden perfection. And the chips? Don't get me started on the chips. Thick cut, fluffy and seasoned with a pinch of sea salt. It's enough to make a grown man weep with joy. Chapter 4. The Fish House, Kiwi Perfection. Now hold on to your hats, because we're going global. Next stop, New Zealand. That's right, we're heading down under to the Fish House, a place that's taking fish and chips and giving it a bloody good Kiwi makeover. They're using local fish, like snapper and blue cod, and giving it a light tempura-style batter. It's crispy, it's delicate, it's bloody brilliant. And the chips, forget your standard potato, mate. These are Kumara chips, sweet and savoury with a crispy exterior. It's a flavour explosion in your mouth. Chapter 5. Fritto Misto Italian Flair. Last, but certainly not least, we're jetting off to Italy. That's right, Italy. You might not think of Italy as a fish and chips hotspot, but trust me on this one. Fritto Misto is a seafood lover's paradise, serving up the freshest catches of the day in a light, crispy batter. Think calamari, prawns, even whole fish, all fried to perfection and seasoned with a squeeze of lemon. It's a taste of the Mediterranean that'll have you saying Mamma Mia. And the best part? They serve it with a side of perfectly fried zucchini and artichoke hearts. It's a symphony of flavors that'll blow your mind. There you have it, folks. The top 5 fish and chips restaurants in the world. From the classic British chippy to the innovative Kiwi eatery, we've covered it all. We've travelled the globe, tasted the best, and now it's your turn. Which one are you adding to your bucket list? Let us know in the comments below. And remember, the next time you're craving some crispy golden goodness, don't settle for anything less than bloody brilliant. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more delicious content.